We're going to learn. Good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon, good afternoon.
It's 11:30 in the afternoon. It's a nice day.
One eternity later.
Good afternoon, guys. I'm here in Lone Fair. I didn't catch anything yet. Maybe. But some people here, they caught Salaimi Tribali. But me, I catch only silver. Small, very small one. I'm not lucky yet. I hope I catch a Salaimi Tribali. And the guy there, he catch a lot of Tribali, Salaimi. Me, nothing yet. Maybe later. Hear some bell. Maybe that's my bell. This my rod. I don't know if there's something. Nah, nothing. It's not. Maybe it's not mine. It's 5 o'clock already, guys. I just only catch one silver trevally. Mine silver. And because my friend want fish, that's why I try to catch some fish for for my friend. See, everyone try to catch a silver trevally there. See, I see the silver trevally there. No, no, salami trevally. Caught in here, and one salmon. Hey, that guy, he catch. What you catch, buddy? Ah, you use for baits. Yeah, barracuda, very good. Yeah, you caught some barracuda and then use for baits. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. That's why. See, everyone catch there. This one is my rod. No biting yet. No action, no action. And this one he catch all salami tribali. What's your name, my friend?
Jake.
Jake. He's Jake. Handsome man, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah, baby. What's your my name? Noel.
Noel.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Noel.
Yeah, thank you, buddy. It's my YouTube channel, buddy.
Oh, what's your YouTube?
Christy and Noel.
Christian Noel.
Yeah, yeah. You can watch that one. Christy. Christy.
YouTube.
Yeah. Christy and Noel. Yeah, baby. Christy. Christy. And Noel. My name is Noel and Christy is my wife. And Noel. See it?
Chrissy and Noel. There we are.
Yeah, yeah, baby. Subscribe, baby. Thanks, buddy. Oh, yeah. Try to catch salami. I hope I catch two. No, no, nothing yet. Ah, you catch a barracuda too. Yeah. What's your name, my friend?
My name?
Yeah.
Isaac.
Isaac. Ah, yeah, Isaac, eh?
And my family name Isaac.
Oh, yeah. Nice to meet you, Isaac. Yeah.
It's a long time.
I know, I know. What's your name, buddy?
Miles.
Miles.
Yeah.
Oh, miles away.
You can call me kilometers.
Yeah, close.
What's your YouTube?
Christian Noel.
Christian Noel.
Noel. Christian Noel, yeah.
Always.
My friend, what's your name, buddy?
Bill.
Bello.
Hello.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Bello.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Hey, good luck, buddy. And this guy, it's so eat.
One hour later.
Hello, guys. I caught one. I saw one bird sleeping here. Hello. Hey, you sleeping there, huh? I think looks very tired. Look. Hello. He's sleeping. Very tired. Look like very tired, Mike. Yeah. Have a look. Look. She's very quiet, sleeping. Sleeping Beauty. Sleeping Beauty. Look, she's watching us. What's your name?
Bullet.
Huh?
Bullet.
A Bullet. Nice name, huh? Bullet and Jimmy. Look, Jimmy there. Bullet and Jimmy. I meet here. We watching the sleeping beauty bird. Why are you sleeping there? Very tired. Very quiet, you know. Quiet. Hello. Oh, she. Oh, wait. Hello. She's awake now. Look. Oh, she go back. Looks very tired. But she's very friendly. Hello. Very close to us, you know. Very good. They're not scared. We are the ones scared. No touching. You go fishing? What you got something? Oh, what's that? What you catch? Fish? Oh, very good. You're very lucky boy. What's your name again? Bullet. Nice name, really nice name. Bullet. You catch, huh? Very good, very lucky boy, huh? And this one, look. Oh, I'll let you go now there. You sleep now, Lee. Okay. All right. And Jim is there, look.
Only one leg.
Oh, no, he got two legs. Yeah, he got two legs. See? The Bullet said only one legs. Yeah, because he lifted up the other one, like this. They are hiding the one legs. Right, Jimmy? When he's sleeping like this. Yeah, they're sleeping like this. She got two legs. The Bullet said only one legs. No, she got two legs.
How?
Hey, got bird here. Yeah. Very good bird, you know. He's not scared. He's not scared. Video, make a video. See? Good. Get na. And Bullet is here. Jimmy's here. What's your name? Jane. Yeah, Jane. We try to catch good fish. But we saw a bird here.
It's a penguin. It's a bird.
Yeah, bird. This not a penguin. Yeah. Penguin very, this one is not scary.
Kanina po yan.
Ay, wala. Walang may-ari niyan. Sabi niya kanina ba, sabi ko walang may-ari niyan. Si Shirley. Bods! Kumusta na kayo dyan, Bods? Maybe they're gonna watch this one. Yeah,
How are you, bud?
yeah, maybe. Hey, Bods,
Come back.
yeah, we miss you, Bods. Yeah. News Mila, Miles is here. Miles kilometers.
Amazing. That will be that
Yeah. And what's your name?
Giselle.
Giselle, yeah, Giselle is there.
Giselle, look at the camera.
Yeah, Giselle. Just say hello to the boats. Maybe they watch this one.
Hi po.
And
Halika muna dito.
we miss you, Bodge. Ito ako, Bodge. Yes.
Born again.
We are in Lord again, Mike. Yeah, it's I think what time is it now? 6:45 now. Oh, dinner time. Dinner. Dinner time. You eat already, Jimmy? See Jimmy, come, relaxing, All right, guys. Continue later.
A few moments later.
There he goes. Jimmy, catch this one. Look. Yeah. Una natin si Jimmy. Si Jimmy nakahuli niya, no? At saka si JR.
Nasa maliit na ball.
Si R.
Kung nasan yung mga sunset. You want it?
Ay, waka mo, Jimmy.
Oo nga. Parang manok lang.
Dali. Isa lang para may picture.
Yan, o.
Kayong dalawa.
Yan, o. Dalawa sila ni Jimmy, o. Ganun din mo, Jimmy. Yes.
You can keep this guy.
Wag, ayoko pa kayo. Balik mo nga.
Ako din yan, isa.
Targetin mo yung timing mo.
Ayan po sila. Wala pa kung naghahanda pa lang po sila. Magre-ready pa lang siya. Yes.
1 hour later.
Hi, Mahal. How are you? Hi, guys. It's nearly 12 o'clock midnight here, and Lowell just finished fishing. He's inside our van now. See, where is the van? And what did you catch tonight?
Salami tribali.
Slimy.
Tribali.
How many?
3 slimy tribali and 1 silver tribali.
Okay. So that's what he catch tonight.
And And I just have a dinner, tortang itlog na may patatas at giniling.
Totang giniling.
Tortang giniling ba yun? Na may patatas.
And now, what are you eating now?
I finished already this one here. Tortang giniling.
And now he's eating nuts.
And nuts. How are you guys? I'm just eating nuts and
And he's wearing hoodies.
yeah.
Put that's nice
This-
and warm, yeah?
This one very good.
Thank you, Mahal. Say thank you, Mahal.
Thank you,
For the
mahal.
hoodie. He's eating nuts.
Mixed nuts. How are you, everyone?
You enjoy there?
In a pair, it's not really cold, but it's still cold.
It's cold, but it's not cold. Ano yun?
Not really very cold. Just a little bit cold only.
Because there's no wind, that's why.
Yeah, no much wind,
That's good.
but it's still cold.
Yeah, madilim po. Kaya bukas ang aking ilaw. Napakalaking ilaw ng van yan. Chandelier. Did you enjoy your fishing today?
I'm tired already.
You can sleep, bro. We sleep.
Mm.
Dala po na. We didn't bring the Amber van. We bring the black van. First time we take it for a long drive.
Yeah. And it's not too bad. It's alright.
This is actually wider than the camper, our van. This one is good too because we put. You see, I can still lay down. See, hi. See what I look like. Yan to, nakakahiga pa ako. Diba? Maluwag siya, malapad.
See, pakita mo ito. See, Christina's toilet is in the middle.
Yan. My toilet is in the middle closet. Just, yan.
It's in the middle, look.
That's my toilet there in the middle. Okay, bye. Good night.
See you tomorrow again.
Good night, Ron.
Guys, last day tomorrow. Good night.
Bye.